This video is an introduction to ServiceNow Performance Analytics. You can skip to any of these topics from the YouTube description for this video. Performance Analytics helps you measure your progress towards specific business goals and the actions you take to achieve those goals. Achieving a business goal takes actions by people at different levels in the company working together, like an executive, a service owner, and frontline workers. Let's look at an example. Suppose the VP of IT learns from CSAT surveys that the company's employees aren't happy with the way IT handles incidents. The VP sets a goal for the incident process owner: improve the CSAT for the incident process by 2 points in 90 days. Now the process owner decides on some specific actions to achieve that goal. Increase first call resolution by 10%, reduce MTTR by 1 day, and reduce reassignments by 20%, all in 90 days. Next, the process owner meets with the service technicians who handle incidents. The actions for the process owner become the goals for the technicians. The process owner decides on a set of actions for the technicians to achieve those goals. For the goal of reducing MTTR, they'll reduce the reopen count by 25%, reduce incidents not worked on for more than 5 days by 25%, and reduce incidents more than 30 days old by 50%. Again, all in 90 days. The result of this whole multi-level process is specific goals for each person at each level and specific actions for each person to achieve their goals. Now, how does Performance Analytics fit into the picture? Performance Analytics measures the results of the actions by the people at each level over time, forecasts future performance based on those results, and delivers the right information to each person so they can all see how they're doing. Performance Analytics tracks the results of people's actions using indicators, which are measurements of specific aspects of your business. In the industry, these indicators are sometimes called Key Performance Indicators, or KPIs. Performance Analytics comes with lots of indicators across the ServiceNow product line, and your Performance Analytics administrator can create new ones if you need. As you use Performance Analytics, you'll choose indicators that measure the results of your actions and your progress toward your goals. In our example scenario, for the process owner, we'd use indicators for first call resolution, MTTR, and reassignments. And for the technicians, we'd have reopen count, incidents not worked on for more than 5 days, and incidents more than 30 days old. Performance Analytics measures these indicators at regular intervals, typically every day. Each measurement is an indicator score. These scores show past and current performance. Performance Analytics uses patterns in the scores to forecast future performance. You can also set a target to show the value you're trying to reach. You'll want to choose your indicators carefully to measure your actions and your progress towards your goals accurately. For example, for the goal of increasing first call resolution by 20%, the indicator would be the percentage of incidents resolved on the first call rather than just the number. You can also define breakdowns to add a dimension to some of the indicators. For example, to let users see the number of incidents in each category, the admin would configure a breakdown by category. Performance Analytics displays this indicator and breakdown data in widgets, visualizations that help you understand the data. We've just seen some examples of widgets, the line and bar charts. For our example scenario, here's a single score widget for the IT exec showing the current CSAT score, along with the target and recent change. Here's a bar chart for the process owner showing the number of open incidents broken down by age. And here's a chart for the technicians showing the number of reassignments. Performance Analytics comes with widgets for lots of indicators across the ServiceNow product line, and you can create new ones if you need. These widgets appear on dashboards that are tailored to specific types of users. For our example scenario, here's a dashboard for the IT exec, including the CSAT score, target, and change. Here's a dashboard for the incident process owner, with first call resolution, MTTR, and reassignments. And here's a dashboard for the technicians, with unassigned incidents, active incidents, and workload. The next video in this series goes into more detail about how to interpret and act on what Performance Analytics tells you. For more information, see our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.